What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to Next Life Garage. We've still got Cherry sitting in the sick bay. As you can see, she hasn't moved since the last time we spoke about her. Didn't get a chance to listen to the AC compressor or the power steering pump. Didn't get a chance to drive around. The paying gig called, so I had to go take care of some business. But today we're going to fire her back up. Going to listen to the AC compressor, listen to the power steering pump, listen to the alternator probably, see if we can track down where that noise is coming from that's transmitting through the block. As you probably know, anything that's solid mounted to the block is going to transmit noise through it. So if we find a similar racket to what I'm hearing in the block in one of those drives, that's probably our culprit. Power steering pump's original on this one. It's got 270 some thousand miles on it. It does whine a little bit, but it doesn't whine enough to transmit the noise that I'm hearing through the block. So hopefully with the listening today, we'll be able to figure out what's going on, order some parts, and get it fixed, so I can get her back on the road. I do like driving her. But anyway, I'm going to get to that. Probably let y'all watch me buzz around in high speed on this one, since it's not going to take too long. And then we'll follow up with what I find from listening to it. I told you it wouldn't take too long. After listening to the AC compressor, the alternator, the power steering pump, pretty much narrowed it down to the AC compressor and power steering pump. The AC compressor's, I don't know, 3 years old or so. I put it in just to get some air conditioning back in the Jeep one summer. Cheapo unit, I don't know the brand, don't remember it. Probably should, so I don't buy it again. Maybe I can go back through receipts and find it, see what it was. But between those two items, power steering pump and AC pump, the combination of the noises that those are making is probably what I'm hearing going through the block. So I'm going to order a new AC compressor, order a new power steering pump, and we'll get those swapped out, charged back up, and see if that doesn't take care of our noise that I'm hearing through the block. Thank you guys for watching. If you like what we're doing here at Next Life Garage, give us a like, hit that subscribe bell so you don't miss anything that we post. And until next time, don't take no wooden nickels, and be good. Somebody's got to.